Good afternoon, it's Brian at Fitzpatrick's Garage, Dublin Road, Kildare. I want to show you this car here. It's a 2014 Honda CRV, and this is a 1.6 diesel ES model. But the really nice thing about this car, it's a very unusual colour combination. It's got a full beige leather interior, which is not normal in those cars, so it's been added in by the previous owner, and the exterior colour in the car is really nice. They actually complement each other very well. We are a garage in Kildare town. As you can see behind me, we do Mercedes, but we also do Honda, and we also do Hyundai as well, and it's a family-run business in operation for almost 70 years. So if you're spending money here, you know that there's going to be an after-sale service. There's also garages in Tullamore, Carlow, and also Naas as well. Anyway, that's not the reason you rang. You actually press play. The reason you press play is because you wanted to see this guy here behind me. So let's have a look around the car. It's really nice condition, just about 40,000 kilometres, one private owner from brand new. Let's have a look. So first thing, on the outside, let's have a look. As an ES model, the ES model has front fog lights up through here, nice daytime running lights, which in this case are the parking light, double optic headlight in through here, so your dip is there and your full is over here. After that, that engine in there is a 1.6 litre 120 horsepower engine with 300 newton meters of torque. Believe me, lots of people used to ask, is there enough power in these 1.6s? They're definitely one of the best on the market when it comes to 1.6. There's loads of power, never any trouble with that engine, and it's been out in that CRV since late 2013, so it's tried and tested at this stage. On an ES, it has nice alloy wheels on the outside, which are 17-inch. There is rear parking sensors along the back, and then also there is front parking sensors on the front. The thing I love about this car is the colour. It's so nice, it's so unusual. I suppose you see so many different CRVs on the road, and things like black, grey was really popular, passion red is really popular, and also the silver was also very popular, but this one is a very unusual colour. It looks really well, but if you look at the interior, they complement each other so very well. In terms of the exterior of the car, it's in really nice condition, one private owner from new. So if we have a look at the front bumper all the way along through here, very nice condition. The chrome grille is quite nice on the front of the car. That engine all day long, by the way, that is a car that is doing 60, well okay, let's actually be conservative, 50 to 55 miles per gallon quite easily. If you're working in litres per 100 kilometres, which at this stage I probably all should be doing that, that means you are doing somewhere in the region of about 5 litres per 100 kilometres very consistently, and as we were saying, extremely reliable. So we saw the front right hand corner of the bumper. Now the front left is in nice condition. We do have to check the car through our workshop, so we'll be giving it full service before it goes anywhere. That wheel is in nice condition, the wing is in nice condition, and all the way down the side of the car, the door and the rear door in nice condition. There's little splatters of mud there just from me driving the car up the road as far as here. Little bits of rainwater probably ran down the side of it over the weekend. So all the way down the side in nice condition too. All the way around the back, the boot lid is in nice condition. The rear right hand side onto the quarter panel and down the sides of the doors. Again, unfortunately, a few spatters of mud there, but that's all easily cleaned up. So we've just given the car a quick clean up just to get it presented. So it looks really nice so far. And the other thing is, because it's an ES model, the interior is really nice, isn't it? Anyway, we'll come back to that in a minute. But on the outside, in an ES, you can lock the car and the wing mirrors fold in, or you can unlock the car and the wing mirrors stay where they are. Actually, they won't open until you open up the driver's door handle again. So windows come down, or similarly I can lock them and windows come back up. And then, like what we were saying, if I open up the car, if I put my hand in here, they're going to open back out as well. Let's have a look at the boot. Gigantic is a fair synopsis. So if you look in the back, really nice big boot. The plastics on that side and the other side are in excellent condition. There's these little handles here which drop the seat forward. If you want on either side, they will drop forward. This one's moving very slowly because the safety belt had caught it, but now it's starting to gain traction and drop, so it's really easy to use. And then under here we have a large spare wheel, which is a space saver, but it's still a large enough wheel that you can get to somewhere that you can get the tyre mended, because let's face it, these days most cars are coming without spare tyres at all actually. Okay, in terms of the back, nice big right angle to get in and out of the door. Door cards are nice beige, so I think, as we were saying, you're starting to see maybe the nice complementary colours. Black door cards, beige interior, and then after that, child lock here, electrics for windows over here. Really nice condition. Couple that used to own it. I would imagine They really did not use the back of the car too much because it's absolutely perfect. 3 2-point safety belts, 3 head restraints, armrest in the centre, and then floors and all that kind of stuff in nice condition, and ventilation back here for the rear passengers. And then up front, similarly again over here, front and rear electrics, door cards in nice condition. The seat is in lovely condition, as is the seat on the other side and the door card on the other side, and I think it works all very nicely together. You got black, you got beige, you've got this brushed aluminium finish along the dash. I just like the way it looks. I think it's really classy looking with the colour of the outside of the car, and then if you move in the complementary interior. I was thinking about tinted in the back windows in the car, but I actually don't think it would do the interior any justice, so I haven't. Reverse, we got a camera in through here. And as we were saying then, if we drive towards this Mercedes in front of us, first gear, drive towards the car, not too close to it. So it's telling us then we got a problem in front. And then similarly, if I reverse, actually one other thing, if I leave this on L and I go for reverse gear, watch the wing mirror as I go for reverse, it got auto dip. So it now means if I was reversing around the curb, I could see what's happening behind me down to the left hand side, because obviously on the right hand side I don't need that because I can just put my head out the window. Anyway, as I back up to this car, it's telling me that I got a problem behind me. That's fine. Radio in through here. So yes, there is an Android radio that comes in 2016 models in CRV. Do you know what? I actually like the big knob along through there, so it is in terms of adjustability. It's so easy to use. Auxiliary and USB connectors if you want to play music or charge phone or anything like that up through here. Heating controls are in through here, and they're dual zone with front and rear windscreen demisters. Just to give you an idea of what the view is in front of you, you got your screen, you got your iMet up here, which is telling you things like average fuel consumption, and clock and radio and all that kind of stuff. After that then we have a phone that is ringing, and after that, so cruise control in through here, and auto headlamps, so at night time they'll come on themselves, auto wipers that'll come on when it rains, and then after that we have an econ function in through here, so that'll basically reduce how aggressive the cruise control or the air conditioner is. Front and rear parking sensors to turn them on or off, height of the lights, traction control on or off, and then in through here another trip computer for average speed, fuel consumption, low tire pressure, next service due, all that kind of information. Down through here we have a drinks holder, and then a 12-volt outlet in through there as well. After that then, in terms of, oh yeah, one other thing, there is Bluetooth in through there on the steering wheel, and then backwards and forwards in there if you want to adjust the armrest. That is a really quick overview. Apologies about the state of the camera work, but unfortunately I do have to rush these at this time of year because we've got a lot of cars to get videoed. But this is a nice car. I would describe it as a car in very nice condition. It's a really nice, genuine one owner from new car, and it is going to leave here fully cleaned up and serviced. And what's nice about it is it's rare. You don't see too many of them with this kind of combination, and actually I've yet to remember any that's come in with this combination, so it's a unique as a 2015 CRV goes. The cars, as we were saying, they're 200 quid a year for road tax. They are extremely fuel efficient, they're extremely reliable, and we're going to put 12 months warranty and roadside assist on the car as well. Also, no matter what kind of part exchange you have, just give me a call. I'll be quite happy to make you an offer on it. And in terms of finance, we deal with all the major financial lenders, so we can offer you finance as well on a car like this. Hopefully this particular CRV is of interest. Thank you for taking time to watch. Brian is my name, 086 843 1945. If you come to the garage, we're about 30 minutes south of Dublin, but 3 minutes from the Kildare village shopping out, just on the M7 motorway over that way. So thanks for taking time to watch.